it is a story that's ending for a title, a vacant title, and your new champion, Zoran Zoma. But coming up next, our final fight of the evening, the main event for the platinum belt, the champion for defense belt against the Nepali hero, Khan Ravindra Dutt. This one is going to be a banger. Stay tuned.
I think Chungren as the main event against Ravindra, it worked out really well. Ravindra is coming from his last fight at Brave, had a solid first round TKO finish against his opponent, and riding off that momentum, coming in against Chungren, who's, I'd say, one of the best fighters we have on the MFN roster.
He's a young 25-year-old beast in my eyes. I can't even say it in words. You will have to see it.
Coach Daju, let's go, Coach Dai. Divish Pia Lama, let's go.
That's not for me to say, that's for him to show.
बच्चा है
भन्छ त रन्डी ओडनको छोरो धोती साला दिमाग तोड्छु भन्छ त
और दिमाग वीक हो गया मेरे को इंडिया के लिए जान लेने के लिए रेडी हूँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं
ओए यो त ओए के भने यसले ओए हेलो दिमाग तोडिदिन्छु भन्छ त ओए झ्याक्नेहरूले त ओपर हेप्छ यार मैले धोती राडीको बाल नेपाललाई चाहिँ हेपी सक्दैन हौ मुख छाड्नु न भाइ
अभी तो बाय
डिले छ यार अब के गर्नु त यार
फैमिली बन जाएगा
चिकन ओए ओए यो हो नि त स्वाद चाहिएको मा कसो मार्ने हालो
For the fans from Nepal, Ravindra
अनि यो हो नि त इन्ट्री
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening.
Ani?
Two men, one man.
Ani? Matches.
Between these two guys is everything. I mean, India, we call them friends. It's not a country.
दिमाग चोदुङ्गा भन्छ त माछी कन्ने छ हेप्नु नि कत्रो हेपेको त रन म्याच धोप्पी हान्नु पर्यो हुन्छ रविन्द्र दाजु भन्नु नि एउटा सीमा हुन्छ नि हौ नागिदिएर सीमै पनि हेलो
Just sheer hard work, grit, and undeniably the best skill in the game.
You know, when I started working and when I was part of I was invited to be part of the commentary team of Matrix Fight Night, and one of my first fight nights I saw Chongren Koren fight. The first thing that comes to mind is this man is like a fighter called Mark Munoz. Mark Munoz was a veteran fighter in the UFC more than 10 years ago. But this guy was known for his ground and pound and his Donkey Kong punches. And that's what I'm saying. The Donkey Kong punches of Chongren Koren is what led him to victory twice. He's been a fantastic fighter. He's got a great pressure game. If he gets a hold of you, you're in trouble. This man doesn't believe in just taking you down. The amount of strikes he threw against
Abhi?
He trains at Warriors Cove MMA, and there's been a lot of
Alright, let's go, chat! Our fight, don't mind, Sabi like Garam Kadao, let's go!
And let's go over to Jared.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to India's most prestigious MMA showdown. We are live from Noida, India. This is Mixed Martial Arts. This is Matrix Fight Night. Brought to you by the trailblazing duo promoters, Krishna and Aisha Shroff. The judges in charge, Kate side are Ben Cartledge, Abhishek Bish, and Franco Ranieri. And the man in charge of the sound of the bell, Mark Goddard.
Wait.
Now, to everyone in attendance here inside the stadium.
Anticipated match of...
To everyone watching around the world. This is Mixed Martial Arts.
Yep.
This is Matrix Fight Night. And India. This is your main event.
Middle finger there when he
5 rounds for the MFN Bantamweight title. First, presenting the challenger.
Yes, sir.
He holds a professional record. 8 wins, 1 loss. He stands 5 feet 8 inches tall, weighted at 60.9 kilograms. Out of Soma Fight Club and
26 A's, 170 representing Nepal.
Representing Nepal. Make some noise for Rabindra Das!
यो हो नि त जोस चाहिएको अनि अब यहाँ कस्तो फाइट सुरु हुन्छ त ल अनि म्याकाडक्स दिमाग खान्छु भन्दैछ रहन
And his opponent, presenting the champion, fighting out of the red corner. His professional record, 7 wins, 1 loss. He stands 5 feet 7 inches tall and weighed in at 61.2 kilograms. Fighting out of Warriors Cove, representing Manipur, presenting the reigning, defending bantamweight MFN champion, the Indian Rhino, Chongren Koren.
Let's go, Macadox. Wait, शुरू नाटे त वही कड़ा let's go. शुरू बोता वही, शुरू बोता.
If you want to touch now, God bless.
Here we go, main event of the evening. Champion Chongren Koren will defend his belt against Rabindra Das. This is a fight that's been waiting to happen. A lot of trash talk has gone back and forth between these two men. And finally, we're a few moments away from Mark Goddard making this fight official. Here we go, round number 1.
Let's go!
Dunt in the white trunks, champ in the black and gold.
यो
A
हो नि
lot of
त
questions are going to be answered here, my friend.
Again, a story of opposite stances. Oh,
ओइ रन
Chungring charges in.
यो त चार्ज हान्न खोज्छ त ओइ चार्ज
You know,
हान्न
it's
खोज्छ त
interesting in the
ओइ
fight against Mohammad Farad. We saw Farad
Let's
get
go.
a fair amount of success on his feet earlier on. I mean, before Chungren decided to take him down and Donkey Kong punch him. But
Well, I've studied both these guys, and they absolutely have a mirrored life story and a mirrored skill set.
खै त हौ
It's like
Angar
Chungren versus
bhaisakyo,
Chungren
हेर्न
or
नपाएर।
Rabindra versus
Oh.
Rabindra. These guys are so evenly matched that it's going to be so tough to decide. Oh man,
nice
Oi,
entry by
capture
Chungren
that.
Koren. Comes over with the right hand. And good reversal by Rabindra Dant. He knew this was coming. He's trained for it. But what remains to be seen is the strength. His corner tells me that he's got a great strength. Straight in the mount.
यो अन्त चाहिएको म्याजिक ढोक्तीलाई मुझे
Here,
देम
and
किल
look at the movement. It's still early in the fight. And Chungren Koren, though, is eating a couple of shots. He's eating a lot of shots. A lot of
मार
shots.
दे म्याच
Rabindra Dant is teeing off on Chungren Koren. Chungren doing a good job defending this. But
Oh,
there's only
oh.
so much you can do.
यो अन्त हान्नु पर्ने
Rabindra has unleashed the beast in him.
The chin
Oh,
on
man.
Chungren Koren, though.
घप्टाइदियो फेरि
And
म्याच
look at
कसम
that, the awareness. He's got a hold of that leg.
The right leg of
मुख
Rabindra.
थापेर बस्छ
Oh,
ओइ ओ
that-
पिए
that-
यसरी हो त
that
लगाउने
Rabindra Dant gets superior
जाने म्याच
positioning.
जान चाहिँ
Landing those
no,
shots to
they
the side
move
of the head, controlling his posture.
Well, that's exactly the same
Thing that
same
Chungren
thing
normally
Chungren
does.
And he's been doing it in the last 4 fights against Kanto.
Oh, look at the welt that's formed on the
Atiye,
right
bhai.
side
Yo,
of
on the
Chungren's
side.
face. Man, he's taken a lot of shots.
Chungren looks rocked.
Oh, no, Chungren
Right
looks a
hand
little
by
hurt
Rabindra.
still. He's still a little hurt
man.
because
Ande,
Rabindra Dant
mukka,
landed
mukka.
at least
Man.
20 or 30
होइन
big shots and
Maar
props
deni
to
ke
him.
hunna?
And again, man, there you
Haidu.
go. We've never seen Chungren Koren being Chungren
Koren
Koren
हान्नु त है भाइ
because it's like a verb at this point.
He's getting
Wait, what
outclassed
the-
right
Got
now.
it. He's flattened him
man.
out in front of his corner and now big shots here.
अझै
Big shots. Chungren Koren
Match.
is in trouble
No,
early
no,
on in this
Ande,
round. It's just the first round. He's
Ande,
taken so
Ande,
much
Mukti,
punishment.
Mukti,
And that's what we said.
No,
I
Ande,
talked
Ande.
about it. Wrestlers
Okay,
like
Mukman.
Chungren Koren have not spent. They don't like to be on their backs. This is a different position for him. It's different to see how he's going to react. And Dant is having his way with him because the amount of punishment he's taken.
यो
let me
अन्त
tell you
चाहिएको
something.
दोस्त
Oh, this fight is going to be over anytime now. The kind of punches. Referee Mark
Bad
Goddard.
This team actually manifested this. They made a rap video wherein Rabindra
Man,
is knocking
man.
out Chungren
It's not
Koren.
over yet. It's not over yet. He's still in it. But Chungren Koren has taken so much damage that Rabindra Dant he's holding on to the right hand. And he's trying to get up, but Rabindra Dant is trying to choke him out. I don't know what he's trying to do.
यो हुन चाहिएको
Desperation move here from Chungren Koren. Very smart because he was almost
Dominant round
finished.
It's been for
खै त
Rabindra
मुखै
Dant.
घुट्ने गरी हानेन त हौ
Dominant is an
Object
understatement.
oh,
man.
man.
Dominant Dant shot for a reason. Oh,
Wait,
Dominant took it.
मुख अलि मुख जोगाएर है
Fire from the
धोतीले नि
champion.
हान्न त हान्छ त फेरि फर्कन खोज्छ त धोती त अति इगोमा गयो क्या
I mean, you never know. It's still
You never know.
It's this amount of action that's happened in the first minute,
Dhoti to-
in the first 3.5 minutes, and he's trying his best to drag him
धोती त
down.
म्याच भयो धोती
No, but you know what? It's part of the sport. Sometimes you
Wait.
use it to your advantage.
Chungren fighting back now in
Chungren,
the same
Dhoti to
manner
the
as
ball,
Rabindra
no?
did.
Chungren, though, what a heart of a champion.
Mass.
He took a pounding. He's
Goes in for the double
धोतीले
leg.
तर्साउँछ त
He's
है
battered and busted up, but now he get good defense, good hips from Rabindra Dant.
ओइ
And man, the
Chang,
right hand
no.
side of
Pachade,
Chungren's
man.
face is busted up.
Oh,
Good
wait,
trip
wait.
from Rabindra.
Wait.
Oh, reversal.
फर्की हान्ने
Again, Rabindra Dant
Oh,
again.
Arjun.
This is what I mean. Chungren Koren is so tough, but Rabindra Dant is
Oh.
boring.
We are yet to see a knockout tonight.
यो
And
अन्त
this could be
चाहिएको
it.
आहा
Both these guys are
कस्तो
swinging for
मजाको
the
छ
fences. Oh,
The damage that Chungren Koren has taken so far, and the bombs that Rabindra Dant is throwing at him.
Rabindra looks fresh.
Oh, beautiful. Got him with the left coming in, and Chungren sloppy trying to land
Time
a
out,
big
boys,
overhand
now.
right on him. And his corner smartly says, don't swing wild.
What a beautiful performance. Ranked number 1 by
यो हो नि
Raman.
त अबजी भन्दा एमएल पो साउथ आउँदो रहेछ अनि यो हो नि त चाहिएको कहाँ हो र कहाँ रविन्द्र दाहाल अनि
Incredible. We have never seen
यहाँ त
him,
जोस
never
पनि
seen
त्यस्तै आउँछ नि त हेरेपछि
anybody doing this to Changren Koren.
That's what we talked about. We talked about the fact that, maybe Dunt had a point. Maybe Changren Koren's road has been against a lot of great
Let's look
former
at the action
fighters.
replay.
And Dunt immediately, he got taken.
क्या फर्किन्छ नि त
Changren
खुट्टा
tried to trip him.
अब यसले
Dunt reversed
के भयो रन्डी ओठनको छोरो ओइ के भएको ओइ तिमीहरूको नेट स्लो भएको कि मेरो
position. And this was the barrage of those strikes on the ground. There were at least 30 unanswered shots. And every time Dunt got position, he landed punishment. I almost thought the fight was over here. Another 10 seconds and referee Mark Gordon would have called it out. Fighting back. And Changren though, that's the warrior spirit within him. He's got so much of fire. He's never going to quit. And he's a champion for a reason.
के भएको ओइ म चाहिँ वाइफाई त के दिइहाल्यो त
But I won't lie, that was a
Let's go,
brutal
let's
round,
go.
a tough round to watch because Changren's eye is swollen up now. He's got a little bit of a hematoma on the right hand side.
चुङरिङ रविन्द्र 6-8 46 अनि ग्राउन्ड स्ट्राइक 46 छ हामीसँग भनेपछि 8 पोइन्ट कहाँ 46 पोइन्ट
And look at that.
अनि मुखे
Changren
नाके
Koren
प्रश्न
is
भन्छ
breathing
नाके
a little heavily.
अझै खान्छ
This
यसले
might
अझै
looks
अझै 4 राउन्ड बाँकी छ
Hey, this
अझै 20 मिनेट
is
बाँकी
the
छ
damage. This is the
पिटाइ
damage
खान
portion now. Because he's not sprightly. You can see he's flat-footed right now.
कस्तो खाए त हेप्छस्
And
नि
he's not
म्याच
moving as well. I mean, you never know. It's too early to tell. This is the championship
अनि
fight.
अनि
And Ravindra Dutt is
It's
ready
just
for
ni,
5
na.
rounds. But it's the amount of damage
हेप्छस् नि
that
हैन
Changren took in the first
हैन
round
हेप्छस् त हैन
was something else, man. You can see that he's shaking off that leg with one
हैन
kick.
फेरि
He's trying to wade in with some punches, but Ravindra Dutt sees it
यो
coming.
त जबरजस्त हुन्छ त
Dutt now for a takedown of his own in his own
जबरजस्त हुन्छ त गोटी
corner.
त
Changren looking for
And-
submission. He's trying to lock his hands underneath and look for a choke. Oh, he might have. You can't really see here.
लक
You
हानिरा
can
हो
see he's trying to squeeze onto his neck.
अँ
And Ravindra Dutt
Look,
though,
Andrea is the-
he's
keep up,
almost
Anika.
passed into side control. Almost.
Well, if Changren loses tonight,
मार हान
And there you go. And again, he's holding onto an arm here. He was trying to look for a Kimura. And he's now in a much more dominant position. This is a weird position for Changren
के
Koren.
गरेको यार
Because he can't really
69
do a lot
पोजिसन हो
with
त
that
यार
arm there.
ओइ,
Trying
के गरेको
big
Oh,
shots. And here it goes. We continue. And he's in a bad space. 3 minutes 40 seconds to go. And he's not in his corner.
रन्डी ओटन
well, if Changren Koren loses
Check there.
tonight,
Oh.
he'll be the first Indian to lose his MFN title.
Man, it's just something. He's
म्याच यो होइन यो अन्डरबाट स्वाद पर्यो अनि ओइ ल यो त के हो ओइ पुरै उतार्नु पर्यो त ओइ म्याच सिकन
capitalizes on this position.
अनि
Oh
धोती त
man,
मैले
that
धोती त
slipped over
पर्दो
the
छु त
top.
म्याच सिकन
There we go.
यस्तो हो नि त
Plays
Dutt
it.
now reverses it.
Nice!
But
Let's
Changren
go,
Koren back
baby.
on with that
Under
pressure.
referee,
Don't ever count him out of
Man,
the fight. This is a tough, grueling fight. We knew this was going to be a war. But Ravindra Dutt certainly getting the better of Changren Koren so far. His corner is screaming something called UP style. I don't know what that means yet.
युपी
I
स्टाइल
need to ask him.
ओइ, के हो
It's
युपी
the
स्टाइल
Yuki
भने
style because Yuki's in his corner.
Oh, they're referring.
We've got his teammate Yuki in his corner.
Yeah, it's Yuki style. I thought UP style.
Ah,
like
yo,
Uttar
wanta.
Pradesh style. That makes much more
Yo,
sense.
wanta,
But
I know.
again, Ravindra Dutt again in a good position. Big elbow. This is a bad spot. Very bad spot for Changren Koren.
Yo, wanta.
It's
Swat
Changren Koren
पर्ने
trying
भनेको
to change position. Man, the heart of the
पुगेन नि,
champion
गोली
is
पुगेन
something
नि।
to admire. Because he's
Mar,
trying
man.
so hard. He's trying so hard to get control of the situation.
त्यो त हान्दैन त हौ अघि यस्तो एल्बो यो हो नि त सर्ट भनेको यो हो नि त
Changren Koren taking a breather
एक
here.
पाते पनि हुन्छ होला
He's a little sneaky, Ravindra Dutt. He tried to get a switch
उक्त
here.
टाउकोमा
Here we go. Changren Koren though,
ओइ
looking
ओइ
to get
यो
a
त
better
खाली भयो
position.
त ओइ ओइ म्याच कस्तो बजाएको
Oh,
त्यसले
big shot.
Big shots.
Ravindra Dutt. Ravindra moving his head very well though.
कस्तो लाग्दिरा
Gets back to his feet.
Changrang yet to do any damage to Ravindra.
हत्ती हाने त ओइ रन धोतीले त
Very
Ramoji
nice
फेरि
by
पछाड्यो
Changrang Koren.
म्याच
Reverses that position and now starts a barrage of his own strikes.
धोतीले रन
That's the vertical punches. Ravindra Dutt though. Oh, reverses position.
यो हो नि त हान झन्डे
In his favor.
यस्तो
Bad
मुखारी छ
position
यार
for
यता
Changrang
गडा
Koren. And will it be a matter of time? It's less than a minute.
3 4
Oh man.
He's flattened him out. He's in a
Oh,
bad way.
yes,
He
sorry.
might look for a
Oh,
medicine
yeah.
on that arm.
It's like Changrang
एउटा
Koren
एउटा
getting a taste of his own medicine.
I mean,
Oh.
again, he
Exactly the
slipped.
same manner that he fights it.
He came up. He lost position there, and now Changrang back on top.
He's got
It's
his
so
arm
back
stuck.
and
ओइ
forth.
ल एल्बो खायो भने त बिजोक हुन्छ धोतीको हातबाट
Oh, he's looking for a dash choke there. He's got his arm underneath. He's locked it on the bicep. Has he locked it on the
धोतीले
bicep
ऊपर
yet?
खिदियो हाने भाइ
There you go. He's got that.
ल
and he's
जुरु
got a
ओइ
front
ल
choke.
यो त ओइ
He
ओइ
might
कहाँ
have
टान्छ
it.
त
He's got a dash choke.
Oh,
10 seconds.
This could be it.
10
ओइ
seconds.
ओइ
This could be it.
ओइ ल 10 सेकेन्ड 10 सेकेन्ड गुड ओइ
Oh man.
ओइ ऊपर च्यापे बुझी
He's got a little bit of. I think he's okay.
Oh,
No,
saved
he's
by
okay.
the
Saved by the bell.
Saved by the bell.
फक म्याच झन्डै हारेको
Back and forth. Back and forth.
झन्डै हारेको यार
The Changrang Koren is everything into
Wait,
that
Changrang
because he's
Koren.
taking a very, very long time
Amma,
to get
Changrang
up and go
हारेको
back
यार
to his corner. I don't think Changrang Koren needs to be able to look at Mark Goddard so smartly saying he needs to be able to
आम्मा
walk back
झन्डै
to his
झन्डै
corner.
Let's look at the
10
action
सेकेन्ड
replay.
Just missed with that
10
counter
सेकेन्ड
right,
त्यसरी
and
हारे
that's what
आम्मा
caused
हार्छ यार
slip
भाइ
back and forth.
कस्तो
That's
च्यापेको हात
what
यस्तो
happened
भइदिरहेको छ लगन
It was a tight toss attempt, but that was then he
कस्तो
lost
उतार्नु
position.
पारेको
He
यार
was too
भाइ
high at the
रन
back,
धोतीले
gave up position, but Ravindra Dutt doesn't seem to be too affected by this. Those
Wait,
elbows again, I think, Changrang is
सोएको ओइ मा कसम
the amount of
सोएको
punishment
Damaged
he's
at the
taking.
moment. Changrang
He's-
definitely is
precisely,
damaged.
that's the right way of saying it.
And
He's
that's,
damaged.
that's the choke that he locked in.
He
And
jumped
he
in
gave
the
it a
toss. He turned the right way. He needed to come in a little closer, but Dutt defended it so perfectly, creating just the right amount of space,
look at that.
knowing that there was 10 seconds to survive in the round. I mean, look at this. Ground control for Ravindra Dutt, 1 minute, 23 total strikes. In
झन्डै
just round
give up
number 2, we need to
भइसकेको
check
थियो
round number 1.
अब मैले
Round
सातो
1 is
गरिदिरहेको
definitely
भए
above
बुझ्नौ
100.
Do this to me. Don't do it.
आम्माको
A bit of
छोरो
scolding here by
Man,
Mark
yeah.
Goddard.
Well, that's the Mark Goddard style. He's scolding everybody.
Let's go! Round number 3, ladies and gentlemen. This is the main
सास
event.
फुस्केको थियो होला
And it's going to decide who walks home.
It just matters now who has
यसरी
more in the
खुट्टै
gas
खुट्टै
tank because Changrang normally, who is so strong and who's got such a good gas tank, he's taken so many shots. The way he's moving is weird. I mean, he's
He's
still
a little bit slow for sure. I mean, a little bit is an understatement. He's slow for sure.
I mean, you can
Here
see
he
his
tapped the
gas.
moves.
You can see the
I
reversal
know,
that happened
man.
there. It was seemed academic here. And the way he escaped, Ravindra Dutt just backed up and pulled out.
झन्डै च्यापेरै मार्दैन मासाला धोतीले
I'm surprised Ravindra Dutt let him up. Stuck him. Oh, he hurt him with that one.
फक
But man, what a
अझै
trick
यस्तै एक
Changrang. He's still in it.
आँखा फुट्यो त्यसको
But there's only so
आँखै
many
फुट्यो
shots
त्यसको
that the
आँखै
human
फुट्यो
skull can
अझै
take.
एक सर्ट त्यसरी
Another big one. Another big hand.
अर्को अझै
Ravindra
अझै
Dutt
अझै
opening up. Just missed a big shot. Oh, he's hurt. He's hurt.
नकआउट ओइ नकआउट हो
He's a new champion. Ravindra Dutt
Wait, did you-
has
no,
pulled
did you-
out the upset, and the Soma team is going
Wait.
Could be the
Why
biggest
did he-
upset in the history of
We
India
talked about
today.
it. I talked about it and said that this was the
Man,
first real
just
test for
stop.
Changrang Koren, and he saw it.
सक्छ
He was
अनि
His camp
Muzi
dejected. Of
Dhoti
course,
match.
a great attempt. He's a great champion. He gave it his all.
What
My
the
heart goes out
matches.
to Changrang Koren. But oh my goodness. Round number 3, the barrage of strikes that started it all.
Oi,
Just take a look at the replays
no.
because
क्रेजी
Ravindra
सर्ट
Dutt
है
did it.
चिकन
He did it. He said it, and Rahul, like you said, he manifested it, and he made it happen.
बानिया
So Ravindra
दाजु
manifested it for the fans who are watching us. Ravindra's
Lovely
team made a
match,
video.
Sikon.
It's a rap song with an animation, shows the entire life story.
बल्ल
of
स्वाद आयो नि त
Ravindra Dutt,
होइन
From him breaking
बल्ल
stones for a
स्वाद आयो
living,
नि त होइन
to taking up MMA, and then finally knocking out Changrang Koren. Manifestation, nothing else. Work in the right direction, have the right attitude, have the right place, and you can deliver the biggest surprise.
this was going to be his first real test.
Please,
He
please,
got- and his
please,
corner was right.
हेर्नु पर्यो
He
यार
took on Well, this was the first fighter who was on his level, and he proved that it
And
wasn't
as I
on his
said,
level. Stellar performance. It was a stellar performance. Did the business tonight, and now Jordan Corran, you can see, the doctors are checking on him, his corner is checking on him to check if he's okay. He will live to fight another day. This is part of the sport, winning and losing. But man, this was Rabindra Dutt's moment, and he did it. Incredible.
Well,
Ani,
the
Saksata,
bantamweight
Ani.
belt initially went to Pakistan. Ulumi earned it at MFN
Ani.
then after defeating
Ani,
Dhruv Chaudhary.
Saksata.
And then later he had to vacate the title. Chungran Koren came up, won the title, and tonight Rabindra Dutt has made history in Indian MMA and in the MMA history of Nepal to be the first ever
I mean, I met his corner, and
fighter
we
from
were,
Nepal to win a title at Matrix
Exactly.
Fight. And look at that! Look at that finish! From
Din.
Chungran Koren.
there you go.
Knockout
That was
match,
over.
Sikandko छोरो.
This
was
is
over.
the biggest upset of the
Ani.
evening and the only knockout that we see
You got
at
your
MFN
knockout.
70.
You got your knockout.
Ani.
We've been
Yo,
waiting for a
Swana, there.
knockout and Rabindra Dutt
My
does it in
God.
fashion.
If the way he did it,
Ani.
he broke him down,
Ani.
and to do that to Chungran Koren says something, that he came in with a game plan. They knew what they were doing,
Well, it could be
and they broke him
overconfidence
down.
as well.
No, you know what? Chungran Koren is
I
such
mean, you
a
got to
solid
play
fighter.
his skill with anything else.
It's not like it's you know it's not like
Ani,
Chungran Koren
Ani.
got just suddenly flash knocked
Wait,
down.
wait, sorry,
He
Sugyo,
broke him down
hello, ke bhako?
in his manner.
Hello,
He broke
hello,
him down
check.
with a barrage of strikes over and over again. He tired him out. He hurt him constantly. It was incredible, and Chungran Koren is in no. I
Wait,
think
ke bhako?
it's
Sorry,
okay.
boy,
You got
there.
to let him walk out on his own. The stretcher is not needed right now.
यो हो नि त स्वाद
But man, oh man, it's a scary moment whenever we see a fighter take that kind of
यो हो
punishment.
नि त स्वाद
It's a scary moment when we see. And quickly, let's go for the final
बच्चा भन्ने
decision.
त्यो लामो
For
त्यही
one
भने
last
बच्चाको
time,
पिठे खायो भने त्यसले
Jared, give us the decision in the cage.
बच्चाले पिट्यो होइन त बाउलाई
Ladies
Nah,
and gentlemen,
Aha.
Ref Mark Goldard called the stop of this fight after
Let's go,
54
Chad.
seconds of round
Roulette, roulette,
3
boys, the soldi ta
for
ani.
your winner by knockout and the new
ओए लभली है यो हो नि त व्यवस्था अब त युएफसीहरूमा हुन्छ होइन के हो
You know, I
World
say
class
this
खेल्न मिल्छ
over and
होइन
over again. They can, if there are two title fights, both champions will never
अहिले
retain.
के
Never.
प्यारिस पे हो है
Let's
Never.
hear it for the champion, Rabindra.
अनि त सक्दैन नि फेरि जे नेपाल पास सबिर पास जे नेपाल यार बोल्नै सकेन यार बोल्ने मात्रै हो जाठा अनि
That was a clinic. You're called one of the best fighters in Southeast Asia. You proved it today. What a fan following in there. Big round of applause for the entire Nepalese contingent that has come down. But you knew you had it. You didn't have much to prove. But coming into MFN and
Ani.
doing it like this, fantastic. Congratulations.
Yep.
Thank you so much. Thank you, everyone. Thank you first for my team. My team, Soma. Lock and roll.
बोकेर लग्यो त बाई बाई
Soma team. Coach
व्हिलचेयरमा
Yusuf.
दिमागै हल्यो क्या
Bye.
म्याटर चुत
Thank you.
टाउको हान्छु भन्थ्यो त होइन ओए
Congratulations,
सोरे
Jack.
आउँदैन त लाम हेलो
Jack.
बोल्नै सकिरहेछ न यार म त मुसी
Thank you, Tuesday.
लास्टमा त सुतेर गयो त होइन
You support me a lot. When
मेरो
I
सोरै गइसक्यो
went to
लामो ओए
Kathmandu, that time he supported me. नेपालमा काठमाडौँ गएदेखि मलाई यति धेरै सपोर्ट गर्नुभयो कि यहाँसम्म आउँदाखेरि जस्ट म ट्रेनिङ गर्छु फाइट खेल्छु त्यति हो ड्युज दाइले के गर्नुपर्ने हो, ट्रेनिङ कहाँ गर्नुपर्ने हो, कोचहरूसँग गर्नुपर्ने हो, कुराहरू कहाँ कहाँ गर्नुपर्ने हो, स्पोन्सर कसरी मिलाउनु पर्ने हो, फाइट कहाँ खेल्दा ठिक होला, सबै यति धेरै गर्नुभएको छ। थ्याङ्क यू ड्युज दाइ। वर्डहरू छैन तर पनि लभ यु दाइ।
Lovely.
Rabindra, ladies and gentlemen, he deserves a bit better wins.
गयो यार।
We got some more things.
ओहो,
Yes.
जाऊ बता।
थ्याङ्क यू सिसान दाइ।
Lovely, goosebumps आए हैं। Goosebumps है, मन छुए, मन छुए।
MFN में मैं हिंदी में बोलूँगा, MFN में आने के लिए जैकी श्रॉफ सर, थैंक यू सो मच। उन्होंने मुझे ये फाइट दिलाई। उन्होंने बोला कि MFN को रविंद्र को लाओ। मैं 3 साल पहले से कोशिश कर रहा था MFN में फाइट करने के लिए, जस्ट फाइट दो करके, लेकिन पहले कोई और थे, उन्होंने कुछ सुना नहीं। पर जैकी श्रॉफ सर ने एक फाइट देखी, बुलाया, आओ। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू आई समम। थैंक यू एवरीवन। थैंक यू टीम ध्रुव। थैंक यू। That's it. Oh, thank you supporters. नेपालबाट यहाँ आउनुभएको, थ्याङ्क यू सो मच एभ्रिवान। मेरो पुरानो टिम कम्ब्याट MMA क्लब, थ्याङ्क यू गाइज। जय नेपाल, जय हनुमान। थ्याङ्क यू।
Time shit, let's go.
That's it.
Macadux.
The champion, Rabinder! From MFN 17. It was historic. One of the best fight cards. All of them going right down to the
knockout,
end.
guys, knockout.
Such evenly matched fighters, and that's exactly
2
what it's
round.
supposed to be. We've got
कि
a
third round
champion
है।
right here,
third round में
right
knockout
here
है
with
ना?
us.
कि second की
So
third?
from Greater Noida and
पानी
from
खाओ,
Gia
पानी।
Hotstar,
यो लाइभ सकेर हुन्छ अब यार केटा हो। मेरो सोरी
I
गयो।
deserve a bonus. Thank you.
you deserve a bonus. We'll tell Aisha Shroff that. But it's been fantastic. As I say goodnight from the cage here,
Hard
I'm going
round.
to throw it to the comms.
Hard round predict
It's
गरेको
been
थियो।
historic,
ओए, लाभ
and it's
दिएको छ।
only just beginning.
Historic indeed, my friend, because MFN 17 has not just
Ravindra ko
performed,
bag
it delivered
Thank
in every conceivable
good air
way.
pasa what's up?
I mean,
Samir,
culminating
मेरो
with
sorry
a
गयो,
new
म बोल्न
champion.
सक्दिनँ अब।
The
म
the
लाइभमा
champ,
आउन
Chandran
सक्दिनँ यार,
Koran,
भोलि आउँछु लाइभ
got
गाइज।
defeated, and
बोल्नै सकेको
Ravinder
छैन, fuck
Khan
that
did the
shit।
business in the most spectacular way possible. And of course, the first ever, the vacant strawweight, the strawweight champion, a new strawweight
Bozanko
champion
bag,
in
Bozanko
Sonam
bag,
Zamba,
okay.
took on Safeva, a fantastic fighter, a Russian champion, and came out victorious. Top to bottom, the card was spectacular. International fighters, international fights, only action, top to bottom, only at Matrix Fight Night. My name is Arjun Chapalkatti. Ladies and gentlemen, this has been an absolute pleasure.
सिसन दाइको
We will
टिमहरु छ
see
त
you
माथि
for the
हैन।
next one. Good night.
टेकेर छापा डबल मजा आयो, त्यही एक्ज्याक्टली च्याट वाइल्ड जोस आयो, वाइल्ड सट पर्यो मलाई माको। यो स्पोर्ट्स भयो, मेरो सोर सुकेको वर्ड भइरहेछ यार। हेलो